So hey guys, welcome back to VR Hack. And in this video, guys, I'm going to talk about the CH practical exams. Before moving ahead, let me tell you that CH practical exam is not as must have as you are thinking about it. In this video, I'm going to talk about everything, that how to prepare for the exams and what types of questions are come in the exams. I'm not going to directly tell you the questions because I also don't remember, but I'm going to give an brief idea about CH practical exam, and this video will help you to clear your exam if are coming in upcoming days. Okay. We'll start the video without wasting times, and if you have any doubts, you can just simply type your doubts in descriptions. Okay, so what is CH practical exam? CH practical exam is nothing but complete 20 sets of questions in which they check your practical skills and how much capable you are to become a certified ethical hacker master. Okay, so as I already completed my CH version 12 master certifications, and before moving ahead, let me clear you that CH version 12 is going to be end on 22 September, and after 22 September they are launching the CH version 30. So the people who are thinking that if they purchase the CH version 12, so they will get a CH version 13 certification. No guys, if you purchase the certificate or voucher for the CH version 12, so you are going to get the CH version 12 certificate only, not 13. Okay. So as you can see, I have already completed my CH certified ethical masters in this month only on the date of 7th 9. So let's talk about what kinds of questions come in the exams. I'm not, as I told you, I'm not going to tell you the what kind of exact questions are come because I also don't know. But I can give you a brief idea that what to prepare before giving the exams. Okay. So as on my YouTube channel, I already uploaded the four parts: part one, part two, part three, and part four, in which I solve all these four labs. So if you able to solve these four labs also, you can easily crack the CH exams. Okay, because the same scenario you are going to get in the exam, real exam also. As you can see here in this, just take an example. This is a real exam. Okay, just take and in the exam also you are going to get the same scenario, same environment you are going to get, like as you can see here. And as you can see here, 20 sets of questions are there, and the same all in the exam also you are going to get the same 20 sets of question, in which there will be two machines. As you can see here also, there are two machines. One machine will be the Linux, sorry, the Parrot, and the second machine will be the Windows. Okay, so same environment you are going to get in the exam also. The exam will be 6 hours of 6 hours, and you need to finish all the 20 questions in given time. Okay, so let me clear you. If you are going to give the exam first time, so you are going to get only three chance. If you miss the three chance, then you will not then if you give the right answer also, it will not accept. It will say that it will going to say you that your chance has been exempted. Okay, so make sure do not put the wrong answer, and always make sure to see that that the new n which is considered to be numeric. Let me show you an example, so it will be more better for you to understand. As you can see, a is in capital, which means you need to give the word in capital, and the another are small, so it means you need to type the answer into small. Okay, and if it will come like n, so it is numeric. So make sure to give the answer in a correct format. If you will not going to give the answer in the correct format, they will deduct your marks. Okay, so passing marks now they change. Now not if now for not now 14, you need to clear the 50 questions. Okay, crack the 50 questions to get a certified ethical hacker uh, practical certifications. Okay, so as I told you, the numbers of questions are 20, and before entering into exam, just get good hands-on experience on nmap, wireshark, then Hydra, which is a cracking tool, and like you can say Hashcalls. Apart from Hashcalls, there is a tool also die, and go with the Bob suit. Also do the practice of DVWA, damn vulnerable web applications, and also do the practice of SQL map. Okay, so this will help you a lot if you have a good hands-on experience on it. as I told you in the beginning also, the exam is completely based on the tools. Few questions will come in which you need to perform the nmap. Apart from that, wireshark questions related are there. Hashtags basically it will going to help you to get the CRC value if the questions will come related to CRC value. Okay, so I cannot just cover that how to perform that. But if you are preparing for the CH version 12 practical exams, you can go and do the Google search. What is hashcalc? What is CRC32 value? You can check out. Okay, so as you can see, like perform host discovery, scanning and identify the net BIOS name of the host. Okay, so I know the answer of this because I already performed this multiple times. So if you will give the right answer and you need to click on the submit and check, and this format will come once you will click on the submit and check. Make sure not to uh, do any alphabet mistake. For example, if the answer is admin dev, but I am going to give this into a small, okay. But if I'll type the into a small word and if I'll try to submit and check, it will going to give the incorrect answers. And if I'll going to do this steps again and again after 3 times, my chance will be exempted. So make sure do not put the wrong answers after 3 times. Your chance will be exempted. So after 3 times, if you're going to give the right answer also, it will not going to be considered and you will lose your 1 marks. Okay, so let me just review the whole things. Once you the same I am showing you this lab, same lab you are going to give in the exam also. The questions will be related on basis of this. And forget to say the one question will be related to RTP also. And there are many things, but if you are doing this much also, you will easily crack the exam. Make sure to focus on nmap. Nmap all commands like -a aggressive scan, f for fast scan, t4 to make the scan faster, and also use the a scan to perform the aggressive scan. But if you are performing the aggressive scan, it will take a time. So make sure your internet speed should be good. Okay, at least 10 to 50 Mbps should be there. So hope you understand, guys, what to do in the exam and what not to do in the exam. Do not put the wrong answer more than 3 times. Do not do not input the answer in a wrong format, and make sure to crack the first 50 questions, which will be easy for you. So hope you understand what to do and what are the precautions to be follow in the exam. And there will be a 50 minutes of break. In that 50-minute break you can do whatever you want to do, but make sure do not to use chat gpt, or do not to like use any kinds of cheat. If they will find, they will immediately stop your exam and you will be terminated, and you need to give the again $550 to give the exam. Okay, so hope you understand what to do and what not to do. So if you have any doubt related to this video, you can just ping me in my description. I'll try to help you out. So as of now, that's it, guys. We'll meet in next video.